Hi, and welcome to yet another episode of the main feed. Today, we're looking at creating authentic and more lifelike images using AI tools. There are literally thousands of tweaks you can do, and figuring out which ones work by shooting in the dark will take a lot of time. First up, data quality. The output heavily depends on the quality of data fed into it. Ensure you're using high-resolution, well-lit images for training your AI. This will help the system learn better and generate high-quality replicas, if replicas are what you're after. Next, consider the fine-tuning of parameters. Most image-generating platforms allow users to adjust aspects like style, resolution, and more. Experiment with these settings to see how they affect your results and adjust them to get closer to the realism you're aiming for. Incorporating advanced text prompts is perhaps the most crucial step. When working with DALL-E or similar, the way you describe your desired output can drastically change the result. Use descriptive, detailed text prompts to guide the AI more precisely towards the images you envision. Here are some useful prompt words and phrases that, in my experience, tend to create more realistic results. Highly detailed. Adding this phrase can add attention to the intricacies of your images, making them more nuanced and precise. Having said this, if you're looking for a rough documentary kind of realism, this prompt can be ruining the entire thing. Ultra-realistic texture. Use this to generate textures that mimic real-life surfaces, enhancing the tactile quality of your images. Natural lighting. Great to simulate how light interacts with objects in a realistic way, which is crucial for lifelike images. Also try to use more detailed descriptions of the light you're after. References to a specific time of day like golden hour or blue hour can also help. Accurate anatomy. Particularly useful when creating images of living entities, this prompt helps ensure that the proportions and features are correct. Depth perception. This helps to create spatial relationships between objects, giving your image a three-dimensional feel. Camera profiles. Suggesting the image to have the look and feel of a specific camera can help to create a more analog feel. Simply Google a bunch of different cameras and see how the reference affects the results. But even with all these useful tips, you might need to use traditional image editing tools like Photoshop to refine the image to enhance realism. Remember, the key to success in image creation lies in continuous learning and adaptation. So keep experimenting, keep learning, and keep refining your approach. Don't forget to subscribe to the main feed channel if you want to stay in tune with all the amazing things that are happening within the field of artificial intelligence.